Hey there. Today we are building our first gaming PC. The total budget of this PC is $1,000. We bought all the parts. Here we have Asus MG278Q gaming monitor, Gigabyte P8500 power supply, an Asus ROG Strix B550E gaming motherboard, an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor, 512GB M2 drive, 1TB hard drive, GeForce RTX 2060 KO Ultra GPU, an Aero-Cool gaming RGB case. Let's see how it looks after building. Here you can see that we built the PC. It took 2 hours to build it completely. For the full video, click the link in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.